Oh.
We just thought we recorded everything, but we didn't.
We don't know where we are, but we're at Japanese.
Right by our hotel.
Yep.
We are at a place called Hi Hi Mart, right by our hotel in Osaka, Japan. Welcome to Osaka. Hello. Osaka. And we, because we were so hungry, we decided to just stop by the first place that we saw. Not first, we roamed around for quite a while. The plan today is to
get some amazing food.
First thing, we're gonna check in. We got here kind of early. You can have it. I don't think I can finish it. We got here kind of early and our room wasn't ready yet, so we're gonna go back at 3. Meanwhile, we are having our lunch. Anything today? This man just finished everything. We finished this food.
I didn't finish it.
There's nothing left. Look at Mike. Look at this.
The price is really good.
Wow.
We're at Dotonbori.
Dotonbori Street.
It's packed with people. Saturday night.
It is poppin'.
We're about to get some dinner.
Yes. But first, let's go check out the Glico sign, the Running Man sign.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. We are by the Running Man.
This is amazing, you guys.
Yeah, so I've only seen it from the picture. And
Me
it's
too.
amazing.
It's my first time in Osaka, but we're truly lucky that we got to travel a lot. Well, more than in the past 2 years. Let's go, baby. I'm hungry.
Let's go.
Yeah, the way you order is you take a picture of the QR code in a line application, and it shows up as an English menu, right?
Yes.
So what do we order?
We just order about like
We ordered a bunch of stuff.
Japanese standard. We just order about like 6 people portion.
Yes.
And
They do
some beer.
sushi and tempura.
But I'm kind of hungry, and when I'm hungry, I can eat. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi.
This is draft Teien. Oh, arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, wow. Wait, how do we get the... Are they here?
Yeah.
Got a little side dish that came out.
We just got our first
delicious.
I think it's the abalone, or I could be very wrong. I have no idea what this is.
Try.
Now I'm gonna try. These are bamboo roots.
Bamboo roots. That looks very interesting.
I think that's natsu.
Oh, I like it. It's sweet. It tastes cooked. It is like blanched or something.
This is very savory.
We've discovered a bunch of very quirky things about Japan. Number one,
There's
There
no
are
hand towel in the restroom.
there's no
everybody-
paper towels.
Everybody carries their own. So
There are no tissues in restaurants either. I mean, they're wet tissues, wet napkins, but there are no serviettes. Another thing, have you gone inside public bathrooms? You know, separate cabins.
I have.
Yeah. Did you notice how
I dropped
as soon as you sit down,
Yeah. It
the
runs
music
the water.
or the water starts running? Just the music.
The
I mean,
Umeda
the sound.
skydiving.
Yeah.
Skydiving, right? I dropped the.
And then flushing, you're supposed to touch. You're supposed to cover the
You don't
sensor.
touch it. Yeah, just cover the sensor.
Cover the sound. That's awesome. But the sound, I suppose, is to mask
It's
the
supposed
sound
to,
that you're making, your natural body sound.
I think it's supposed to like help you or something. No, just like running water sound. Like,
No, baby, it's to mask your disgusting sounds that you might be making,
Okay.
human you.
I make this.
This man is hyping up ginger.
Oh, I love ginger.
He does. Look at him. We don't have any sushi here. He's just eating ginger. Is anyone eating sushi with their hands here?
No,
No?
it's not that kind of place.
It is not
I mean,
authentic
really
enough.
authentic.
It's too hype. The sushi chef is tatted up and has like a full
Dude.
sleeve on his left arm.
Tomorrow we're going to Universal Studio. This is the biggest Harry Potter nerd I know.
I know. It's so hard to tell that there's a nerdy bone in this body.
She knows all the spells. And we originally planned this trip for Harry Potter Universal Studio.
Arigatou
That
gozaimasu.
looks really good. They just tried it.
Wow. Oh, wow. That looks so good.
Oh man, this chicken is awesome.
Let's try it.
With mustard.
Oh wow, that's a lot of mustard. Are you gonna be okay? This man is not gonna be okay.
Ooh. It's really tender and soft, you know? Try it with salt.
This is really good. Oh.
It's really good, you know? They do chicken, right? You know?
The day that we first met, and we went to an Izakaya. Remember that chicken? And we were like, oh my gosh, so impressed with it. That chicken was like maybe like 30% as moist. Crunchy on the outside, incredibly moist and flavorful.
It's really tough with flavor.
I'm gonna try it with salt. Regular salt, 2 types of sauces. Soy sauce.
This is chicken too. Okay. Can I put this in? Wait, how do we?
What is that? Ask.
So grind. First, the radish.
You sure?
It's radish.
You put it in there?
Arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Wow.
Can I try with this? Yeah.
Sushi's here. Yeah? No. Are you trying to murder me?
No.
That sounds really good. Try the eel.
Usually, you'll come out at the end.
Cheers.
Cheers. I will try the eel.
Yeah? It's cold? Is it supposed to be hot?
Well, if it's eel, no.
Now, where is that? Is that an onion? It's a deep fried whole onion. It's crunchy. Yo, that's not even a blooming onion. It's not even stuffed. It's crunchy. This, you like it?
I like it.
This pervert. Perverted sense of taste. Who consumes this much ginger?
It's onion. What's not to like? And it's ginger.
I'd like some sake.
Guys, onion is a little raw.
A little, it's like layers. It was a wedge of an entire onion. It's not even like a.
Maybe that was the texture they was going for. Just like seems like it's a little undercooked, but it's still packed with onion flavor.
I don't know. Doesn't feel like it.
It's really good.
Pure happiness.
Good, no?
Let's get extra.
Oh, arigatou gozaimasu.
Wow. Should we get more tempura? I like the shrimp tempura.
So that's squid. That's egg. My first sushi.